Hey, what's up, everyone? My name's Ajwritescrypto, and welcome to Trade Crypto Today. This is my second channel that's just about crypto, where every single day you get a chart, an idea, a trade to get you on the charts, to get you making money trading crypto. It's that simple. And today I want to, some of the charts we talk about, we never promised that they'd be good ideas. I mean, look at this chart. This is the chart we're going to talk about today. The ticker is FF. And why the FF are we talking about a chart that has fallen 66.69% in the past basically day and change? Why are we talking about this chart? Well, first of all, I noticed here on Bitunix that it has more trading volume than Sweet, more trading volume than BNB, more trading volume than Avalanche. You get my point. Not to mention it has a Binance listing. Not to mention it is, although it has fallen straight down the hill, Falcon Finance is number 141 by market cap. So what is this, by the way? Why this coin has a bottomless chart? What is Falcon Finance? So Falcon Finance with its FF token has become one of the crowded focal points this week, especially with the launch of big names like Plasma, Aster, blah, blah, blah. FF is a structured universal collateralization protocol enabling liquid crypto assets to serve as backing across different chains. Okay. So Falcon Finance, with its growing list of crypto exchange listing, has a Binance listing. All right, has helped push its volume past 2 billion. All right, so we're talking about a coin that's kind of fighting for a market share this week, that has a bunch of trading volume on Bitunix. If you want to trade on Bitunix, click the link down below. No VPN, no KYC, best place to trade by far. But this is the chart, even with the Binance listing, for a coin that's inside the top 150. You know what? Even on this 12-minute chart here, with the kind of attention this coin is getting, and when I look at this chart, you know what I see? I look at the visible range volume profile here, and I look at the point of control, which is that line where the most amount of volume sits. All right. If you VRVP is the name of the indicator. It's a free indicator on TradingView. Okay. And if you just click from with the current price to the point of control, that would be a 34% gain. And don't act like you can't do a big trade with FF, given that this thing has 72 million in trading volume on Bitunix. This coin can handle large trades. It does have a heavy order book. So let's not get confused about that. All right, but where do we start? Where do we start, right? Like, it's getting rejected by the 50 EMA on the 12-minute. So I would say, that's kind of step number one. We do have like kind of a little wick right here. I kind of want to set an alarm at the body of that candle, I'd say right here, which also serves as a floor ceiling level for like this wick here. Okay. And you see it's been, once it held here. Okay. And then it has been rejected from this level twice. So I'm postulating that if the 50 EMA continues down and then we can get above this level, we have a low volume node right here, and maybe we could make our way up to the point of control, because really the next stop before the point of control would be here at 20.09, so just under 21 cents. So that would be our target if this level that we're talking about, if this alarm goes off. Let me get rid of some of the squiggle wiggles here, but this alarm right here is at 17.58. Let's be sure we're correct about the decimals. 17.58. All right, so just over 17.5 cents. That would be my go long alarm for FF, considering it has volume, it has the Binance listing, people are talking about it, it's top 150 by market cap. There's money behind this project. Obviously, from the alarm to our first target would be about a 19% trade, and to the point of control would be a 28% trade. That's where I want to start with this project. In terms of the other side of the trade, I'm just going to set the range low here. This is at 15.3. Okay. 15.3. And for this one, considering that it's a new coin, I'm not going to try to get fancy and try to scalp in between this range. I'm going to be patient, and I'm going to long 17.5, and I'm going to short 15.3. I'm going to keep it super simple. Anytime you can identify a new coin that has an eyebrow raising amount of volume, if it has more trading, if a new coin comes out and magically has more trading volume than Sui and Avalanche, It needs to be on your radar. You need to have the level set. Even if you don't trade it, set the alarms and give yourself a chance to react to it. Because what if this chart, what if it just had a bad first day? Remember Pump? Remember what happened with Pump? I mean, Pump fell for a month before it turned around and pumped 200%. And when a new coin comes out like this and it's already kind of starting to curve, all this thing needs to do is put it in the first high or low and continue. So I'm serious about the 17.58. That is my long alarm for this, and I will give you an update on this chart as we go. If you want some more setups, be sure to check out my Telegram group. As always, if you want to join my Telegram group, send an email to ajalphagroup@gmail.com. I am flying to Las Vegas. I will still make Trade Crypto Today videos, but they won't be like these. They will be phone record videos, so be sure to still stick around. In terms of Ajwritescrypto, I got 2 amazing videos. I'm kind of going back to scripted videos with higher quality, with better edits and all that stuff instead of the running gun stuff. And I will have a no sweat bet episode for you guys on Friday. We killed it this week with no sweat bets. I made over $40,000 this weekend betting football games. Not bad. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, subscribe to the main channel at Ajwritescrypto. Have a safe rest of your day. Get rich or get wrecked. And don't forget to trade crypto today. Peace out.